Hello, fifth grade, and welcome to week 6 of distance learning, our first math lesson of the week. Today, we're going to be working with how to add whole numbers and how to add decimals. Okay, so combining whole numbers and decimals, and you might think, oh, I don't know if I can do that. That's kind of hard. Well, let's look at our first example, and we will get a little look at it. All right, let's say that you have $45. Got the little dollar sign, okay? And you are adding to that 25 cents, and we'll put the little cent sign. Well, whenever I add dollars and cents, I don't just rewrite it and add it on top of each other like this. I don't just say 45 plus 25. You might be tempted to do that, but don't do that. Well, why don't I do that, Mr. Ivan? Don't do that because cents and dollars are different. Remember what we learned last week. Cents and dollars are just another way of thinking of decimals. So think back to what we learned last week. Where should the decimal point go if we're talking about dollars? Very good. The decimal point should go after the 5. So we're going to write 45 decimal point. Okay, I'm going to put my addition. So I got to line it up. Well, where does the decimal point go on cents? Very good. It goes before the 2. So decimal point 25. That's 25 cents. Okay, now we've got some blank places. Do you remember what we do with those blank places? Very good. We fill them in with zeros. All right. Now that I have it lined up on the decimal like I learned last week, and I filled in the blank places with zeros, I'm going to bring my decimal point straight down. And now I'm going to start crunching my numbers. What's 0 plus 5? You know that, it's 5. What's 0 plus 2? Very good, it's 2. 5 plus 0 gets me 5. 4 plus nothing gets me 4. And I be sure to bring my decimal point straight down. I got 45 and 25 hundredths, but since I'm talking about money, put the dollar sign out front. I have $45.25. So $45 plus 25 cents gives me $45.25. All right, guys, now let's look at that with a decimal, okay? You got the whole number, 46 and 800ths, added to the decimal, 0 and 97 hundredths. All right, now I need to rewrite this. You're going to see on your worksheet where it's written like this, side by side, but you got to rewrite it. So they're on top of each other. There's space on your worksheet to do that. If not, do it on scrap paper. Okay, I'm going to put 46 and 800ths on top. All right. Got my addition sign, got my equal sign. Now what do I do with that decimal point? I line up on the decimal point. So I put the decimal point, and now I write my 97 hundredths. All right, now before I crunch any numbers, I bring that decimal point straight down in a straight line. Now let's crunch our numbers. 8 plus 7 gets me, very good, 15. I write down the 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 9 gets me, very good, gets me 10. Write down the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus nothing is 4. Got my decimal point there to prove it. My answer is 47 5/100. All right, guys, remember, rewrite the problem, line up on the decimal, bring the decimal down, crunch the numbers. Go ahead and give that a try on your homework now.